So we made it to the airport. And I'm so irritated because I just got off of a 12-hour shift and I had to finish packing because I halfway packed my stuff. So I had to rush and pack my stuff. Then, on top of that, I haven't ate anything today except a bowl of noodles and a muffin. Like, my stomach is touching my back. And then on top of that, this is just the icing on the cake. Not only have I not ate anything, there's no open restaurants at this time in the airport. And then our flight is not until like 5 or 6 a.m. It's like, what time is it? Hold on. It's 12:07, so you're telling me I can't eat until the next day? I'm so fucking hungry. I'm about to cry. I'm having a crisis right now, honestly. Y'all, please don't cancel me right now. But I haven't ate nothing. And they said the only thing that's open right now is Starbucks and Burger King. And I don't even eat Burger King when I'm not at the airport. So Starbucks it is. Can I do the iced brown sugar oat milk shaken with the vanilla cream foam? Can I do a medium? And the sausage, cheddar, and egg sandwich. And I got this smoothie too. The smoothie? Yeah, I got this. That's all for you? Yes. Alright. Can I get a name? Kennedy. Kennady. Alright, so whenever you're ready, I'll be your kid in a second.
For the hot chocolate, do you want whipped cream?
Thank you.
No whipped cream?
Wait.
I feel so bad for eating this right now, but my stomach is literally touching my back, so sometimes you just gotta make sacrifices. But at the end of the day, it's still free Palestine. It's not even that good.
Thank you.
Finally boarding the plane.
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in.
I'm finally off the plane. 2 hours felt like forever. I was uncomfortable the whole time because I don't have my neck pillow, like no blanket. I was miserable. But anyways, we're off the plane. Probably gonna go find something to eat and then get on the cruise ship and the party begins. I'm parched, so I'm about to get me some water. And then I think my mom wants water. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna get her one just in case. And then some chips for her. I don't want no chips. I'm not in the mood for that right now. Hey, good morning.
You're just filming yourself?
Yeah.
No, because the ID cannot be on the video.
Oh, I'm filming myself.
Okay. Okay, 1993, please. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you. So the thing about creating content in public, people will be looking at you because they think you're recording them. I'm recording myself. Why would I be recording you? It just makes it awkward as fuck. I don't know you. Why would I be recording you? So now we're getting on the bus to go to the cruise ship, and then it's party time! I'm so excited. Mexico, here we come!
I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it.
It's time! Y'all, I'm so ready to eat a burger. Boat after what, 12 hours later. But when you get on the boat, first you have to go over like the safety precautions for like the cruise and stuff, and then you can like go and eat and drink or whatever. And y'all, I'm so ready for a burger. I cannot wait to eat a burger. I'm tired. I need a nap. I need food. I need alcohol. But I'll talk to you guys after we get done with our safety precautions.
Outside part, and we've got the inside part. Please take note that we have got reflectors, we've got the light, and we've got whistle. So when you get your cabins, please check for these features. If any of these is not on your life jacket, please advise the cabin stewards to replace that life jacket. Okay. When you get your cabins, please press the light, it will turn on. If it doesn't, again advise the cabin stewards to replace.
Punch. Drink of the day.
Can I get 2 cheese patties with no bun? Yeah, with lettuce and fries. Yeah, I want the bun too though. I want it double.
Double cheeseburger?
Yeah. If you've never been on a cruise, that means you've never had one of these. And if you've never had one of these, you're missing out. So now we're going to our hotel room. We just had lunch. The best burgers that you could ever have. I'm gonna full because I doubled mine. And now I'm ready to just take a shower and relax and change and get cute. Hey y'all, I'm so sorry about the lady in here. I'm in the bathroom. I just woke up from a 30-minute power nap because I was so exhausted. Like, I've literally been up since 7 a.m. yesterday because I went to work at 8, got off at 8 p.m. I worked 12-hour shifts, and as soon as I got off work, I had to finish packing, and it was just a lot. Like, I haven't been able to rest, and I'm still tired. So yeah, I'm about to take a shower and get dressed, just throw on something presentable, and then Well, first I'm gonna wash my face. I did brush my teeth and wash my face, but like I'm gonna go in with like a scrub because of my face. It just looks like it needs an extra little love. So I'm gonna wash my face and then I'm gonna take a shower, get dressed, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys when I'm getting ready. And then we're gonna get our day started. And also, excuse the fact that I have a pair of silk shorts on my head. I left my bonnet at home. And I'm so mad because you really have to take care of blonde hair. And these shorts ain't gonna do much because I have a long hair bonnet. I need my bonnet. But anyways, I'm going in with this Spa-scriptions tea tree and aloe facial scrub to cleanse my face. This is today's fit. I wish I had a full body mirror so you guys could see. These pants are wide leg. They are so cute. The set is from Pretty Little Thing. I'm gonna have everything that I'm gonna be featuring in the video, from the outfits to the fragrances to like everything in the description box, so make sure you guys click that. But the set is from Pretty Little Thing. This is what I'm wearing. I asked my man, should I wear brown or white? He said white, so this is what we're wearing today. For fragrances, I'm gonna go in with both my Yara and my Choco Musk. Hopefully they smell good together, since the girls were raving about both of these. Personally, I like this one better, but I'm gonna layer them today and see how they, you know, what they give. So yeah, I'm not gonna do too much because we have to go to dinner at 6 and it's already 5:37. So I mean, yeah, I'm gonna just do a few spreads. So I was gonna put like a little bit of makeup on, but since dinner is like in 30 minutes, I'm not gonna bother. Just gonna go fresh face. My skin looks really good since I cleansed it anyways, so I really don't want to put makeup on. I need my products to, like, you know, penetrate my skin. But yeah, this is what I'm giving for the time being until dinner. Girl, this side is actually cute. Like, this is cute. Let me see if you can see it better in the other mirror. No, but whatever. This is the set. So since dinner is at 6, that means I'm gonna have to change. So just forget that you saw this outfit. Don't forget it completely because it's cute, but forget it because I will be wearing it again. I mean, I didn't go anywhere. I'll have to change right into the dinner outfit. So yeah, just forget that you saw this. So we're on the way to dinner, and I was gonna wear a white long sleeve shirt, fitted long sleeve t-shirt with some brown leather pants, but for some reason my pants decided to rip on me, like right under the zipper. Mind you, I tried them on twice before I packed them and they didn't rip. So I still want to wear the outfit, so I'm probably gonna see if I can find like some clothespins or something in the gift shop and fix my pants, because I bought it specifically for dinner and it was cute and the body was giving. I had to wear this. I had to settle for this outfit. It's not really giving dinner. Y'all know I'm extra. Like, I don't like this. This is more like brunch, or literally not what I wanted to wear. What are y'all?
for you this evening?
I get the great short rib.
Short ribs, yes. And any dessert?
The tropical fruit.
Fruit? Okay. You don't want any appetizer? Just to wait. You want some soup?
For the appetizer, I'll do a Caesar salad.
Caesar salad as well. And your name, please?
Kennedy. Kennedy.
Kennedy. Thank you, Kennedy. I'll be right back in a bit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome home for the next 5 days.
I'm gonna be full by the time my food get out here. Yeah. And because I ate a double cheeseburger earlier. I hope it was cute.
What's the number?
Yeah, that's what that is.
Oh, I thought that was potato. You can tell I don't eat healthy. So it's officially day 2 on the cruise. Y'all excuse my hair, like the wind has been crazy. Like it's blowing so hard. But yeah, I haven't made any friends yet. But I have a drink though. This is a pina colada and it's so good. And it has an edible straw. I bit into mine because I'm like, is this edible? And it definitely is. My camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna let it charge and get dressed. I'm putting on my outfit from yesterday because it was cute. And I just want to be cute and feel the vibe. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. And then I'll come back to you guys.
Why is my mama drinking?
So this is my dinner for day 2. Crawfish pasta. Crawfish fettuccine. For dessert, I'm having creme brulee. And my mom is having
Lime sorbet ice cream.
she's having a lime sherbet ice cream.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so.
So since my pants ripped and I'm just determined to wear them anyways, I have a sewing kit and my mom is helping me bring them back to life. Because I'm just determined to wear these pants. So today is officially day 2 and I made me a friend. We're about to go to the club. This is what I have on. Just a little black dress. Hi, Abby. You look cute. Okay, let's go. It's giving birthday. Look, you want to see something to my vlog?
Oh my god, I love that.
Hi, vlog.
Hi,
This is my new friend. Period.
I shouldn't have wore heels. Oh my god.
You look-
I might like change halfway. We'll see.
Do you want to change now? So you don't have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Cause you're not going to. Y'all look at her. Period. You look good.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go, go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas. I've been in business, I don't take it. It's just hey, if I call you my private baby. I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start it, talking
Friday.
Subscribe to our motherfucking channel, man. Subscribe to our channel, man.
It's their motherfucking anniversary. Period. Everybody to my
I don't know. Fuck it. Hold up. Put me on. That way. That's it.
Say something.
That way. Like.
Subscribe.
No.
Subscribe to Pretty Bitch.
Period.
Pretty Bitches winning.
Look. February 16th, Martin Day, nigga. We outside.
Oh my God, we motherfucking Aquarius and shit,
Yeah,
man.
Aquarius gang, nigga. I don't trust no bitch or love no bitch.
Wait,
Don't say that. Hey y'all, so it's officially day 3 and I'm in Mexico. We're currently waiting for our excursion. We're gonna go see the monkeys and I know the monkeys are ready to see me as much as I'm ready to see them. I'm excited about this.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my assistant. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn,
Oh, so cute. Good morning, guys. I woke up in Mexico. Today is officially day 3. Today is actually Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. This is what I'm wearing today. This bikini, and then it has like this cover-up dress. I was like, girl, I gotta look cute for Mexico because I need cute beach pictures. So yeah, this is the OOTD. Okay. So cute. I'm about to fix my hair and do my makeup.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a deep, body, bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead sugar dead, fine, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chakare, bush it.
I'm eating at this Mexican restaurant and they got pictures on their menu. Like, I love this because most restaurants don't, and I be having to Google like what I'm trying to order. This is like so advanced. Thank you. Gracias.
I went to Vegas one year for my birthday when we lived in California. And that was... This is really good.
My friend that I just met at, what's this store called?
Sweet and salty here in Cozumel Island, Puerto Maya. Yes.
Okay. And tell them what you sell.
Oh, we have a lot of Mexican candies, different stuff, handmade bags from the central part of Mexico. We got ice popsicles. Like this one, strawberry.
Oh, that looks good.
Natural, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors. I got one with tequila.
Oh, infused.
Mexico.
Okay.
Enjoy this.
So when y'all come to Mexico, make sure you come to my friend's store.
Puerto Maya, Cozumel Island.
And come see him.
Yes. Enjoy Tennessee.
Thank you.
See you, Tennessee. Thank you very much, Corey.
Bye. Thank you. So today is Valentine's Day. We're getting ready to go to the Valentine's Day dinner. It's obviously elegant dress wear. This is what I'm wearing. Dresses from Fashion Nova. And I'm gonna wear these shoes. These are also from Fashion Nova. These earrings, and they're also from Fashion Nova. They have like pink detailing on the inside. The hair that I wanted to wear was like the two curls in the front, curl right here, curl right there, and then like a curly bun in the back. But I don't have my curling iron, so yeah, this is as good as it's gonna get. It's not really good to me, but it's as good as it's gonna get. It doesn't really like very classy like how I want it to, but I'll have my curling iron. So this bracelet right here, it's from Fashion Nova as well. It came in like a set of 3, but my nose is oily, so I'm gonna go in with my Revolution. It's just the white powder. I'm gonna go in with my Revolution and just dab it all over where it's oily at. I always get oily in my doodle. Just touching my makeup back up. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC pressed foundation powder and just put some color back in my face. Y'all do not know how tired of this wig I am. Like, I'm just so ready to go home, take it off my head, and get my hair done again. Like, I'm so tired of this wig. I'm so tired of it. But for the lips, I'm going for a nude color.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
So sweet. Thank you.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it.
Is it fine? Or you want it more tighter?
That's fine.
That's fine. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Yeah, it's fine here. Is it fine?
Yes. And I like this one too, but I don't want this one to be permanent though. I just want that one to be the little clasp thing.
You want with the clasp as well? Do you want it for your wrist as well? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. I feel that though.
I ain't even drunk and I'm just like, oh my god.
Cause I know what she trying to do.
Yo, this boat is rocking.
I know what you trying to do. You trying to go to sleep. Y'all are funny. I'm crying.
Oh my god.
She finna sleep for the whole night. My nose is running. I'm cracking up.
Oh wait, I definitely passed my room. I was looking in my purse.
Oh wait. It's right here.
It won't go. I guess you're a cat. I was like, fuck it. That shit don't wanna work.
The arms are so uneven.
Don't talk about my kid. He got arm deficiencies. What if that was his 13th reason?
He would have been a goner.
That's what he said. He would have been a goner.
Good morning, guys. It is the 4th day. Or is it the 5th day? I think today's the 5th day. But anyways, we leave tomorrow, so I would say it's the 5th day. But I just woke up. I'm actually about to go do laundry again. Also, if you noticed me wearing the same outfits in my video, it's because I had to keep washing my clothes and putting them back on because I didn't pack enough outfits. I only packed legit 5 outfits for 5 days, knowing that I needed at least 13 outfits. So yeah, I didn't pack enough, but I'm about to do my laundry and then fold my clothes up, pack them, so I won't even have to worry about it when I get home. Okay? And yeah, I mean, whatever I do today, I'll take you guys with me, but for right now, I'm about to wash my clothes and yeah, I'll talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys. Daddy in my ear, baby. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, I'm about to do laundry and then whatever else I do for the rest of the day, I'll talk to you guys. And then it's officially the last day. I don't want to go home. I've had so much fun, y'all. Like, so much fun. But yeah, about to do that and I'll talk to you guys later. So this is today's outfit of the day. I had to save the best for last because I'm about to take pictures for Instagram in this outfit. But yeah, the hat is from Amazon. This bodysuit or one piece is from Pretty Little Thing. The bag is Fashion Nova. The sarong is also from Pretty Little Thing. A little skirt thingy. This bracelet with the opening in the middle is from Fashion Nova. And then the shoes I'm wearing, these shoes. That's today's look. I'm about to go to the pool deck and take pictures.
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 SM. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in.
actually tastes better tonight. It's good. First night, it was disgusting.
I would not work here. Y'all are too nice. I would not work here. This shit is dead. Like, seriously. Can I get in? Look at all these drunk niggas here. I would not work here. Fire me, I'm quitting. Like, seriously.
There's a lot going on.
Max was showing off. Is it good? Rated 0 out of 10.
It's like a city.
What's the best thing on this boat?
Ooh, the burgers.
Them burgers.
The burgers is
Carnival
fine.
burgers. Like them guys are smacking. Like
It's so good.
that SMC super messy cheese with the donkey sauce. Get into it. Shit, busting.
For the burger?
Yeah, for the burger.
I'ma try that.
The donkey sauce is busting.
Cause I just be getting ketchup.
No,
I didn't know they had
the
that.
donkey sauce. Yo, you don't need ketchup, bro.
I'ma try that.
Get the donkey sauce.
I'ma try it tomorrow.
Okay, so today is the last night of the cruise. I'm sad about it. I don't want to go home. I'm actually about to head to dinner. The outfit of the night is this white top. It's from Fashion Nova. The pants are also from Fashion Nova, and yes, these are the pants that I ripped. My mom was able to bring them back to life and sew them for me. This is what it's giving. Anyways, so this is the outfit. I'm gonna wear this gold clutch so I can look classy, and the shoes that I'm wearing is these are also from Fashion Nova, so you can see the whole fit. And then this bag is actually from Shein. But heading to dinner, and I'll see you guys there. The last meal of the night, no, the last meal of the cruise. I'm having I don't even know what this is called, a strip loin steak.
Me, Anthony, and Stephanie would like to say thank you so much. It's been a pleasure serving you this cruise. Safe travels back home and stay safe, okay? Thank you. Thank you.
You're out of bad boy. You stay safe, huh?
All right, and then tomorrow we are still serving breakfast, okay? 6 o'clock up on Lido, 6:30 down here. But down here you still need your phone, check in, and then they will give you a table number. And then as usual, what I say, we don't say goodbye until we meet again on some other ship, okay? And when you go home, you'll receive the electronic email survey. Please do fill it up. Thank you. 10 out of 10. You don't see any numbers on the survey, 10 out of 10, okay?
You're going to get a 10.
My 2 boss. 3 more months. My youngest boy is already waiting for me.
I have to look at his name.
Every single time.
His name is not Jeffrey. It's Dwight. So I don't know where you got Jeffrey from. That was not his name. Maybe they said something in their language, but that's not his name. It's the last night, and they're telling us goodbye. Oh.
flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes, ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, got a.
To the last night! To the last night! Hi, bitch!
Everybody drunk and pile in for the pizza.
Cheers to the last night!
For the pizza.
Yeah, to the last night!
Pizza.
No, it's not.
Hey, man.
Get it right in the fucking elevator. I can't.
Do YouTube?
Wait.
Let him know.
Yes.
After a drunk night,
This shit is good. Look at that motherfucking bill.
Yo.
Wait, show that motherfucking bill one more time.
this how much drinks she done got on the
Back.
cruise. Like front and back is crazy. Oh, it's 3 pages? Girl.
Damn, it's more? Go down.
I don't think she is. My friend, it's our last night. I love her.
I love you too.
Bye, friend.
Bye, babes.
Girl,
Take a picture.
we finna go to sleep.
Wait. Oh damn, this flash is on. Hold on. Cause that shit, I already know the
front
crazy.
camera, that shit. Till next time. So it's officially the last night on the cruise. Huh? Oh, okay. So it's officially the last night of the cruise, and when it's the last night, you pack your stuff and put it in the hallway in front of your door so the people can come get it, and they take it away, and then you just get off the ship and continue your life. But here she is. She's all packed and ready to go. And it's a wrap. You guys, I thoroughly enjoyed my trip. I enjoyed Mexico and just, you know, I had a time. And I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I hope it wasn't too all over the place, too choppy or whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time.